First of all, congratulations sa EP.
Thank you, Sir
Uh,
RG.
finally, so naka-release na yung Plain Girl, tama na, on all
Yes.
platforms, yes. And how does it feel na finally na-release mo na rin itong EP after working on it so hard?
Yes, well, I feel like a weight's been lifted off of my shoulders kasi 4 years ko tong
Mhm.
project na to. So, sinulat ko yung oldest song sa track list. Sinulat ko nung 16 pa lang ako. So,
Wow,
um,
okay.
it feels like a relief na it's finally out.
And kasi sabi din, yung ibang artist ang kinakwenta nila kapag nagre-release sila ng single, ng EP, ano, parang feeling nila nagre-release sila ng anak nila, ng child nila. So parang ito 4 years in the making. So parang toddler agad yung nilabas mo na, na playing.
Toddler, yes.
I mean, was it difficult to work on an EP ng ganong katagal, 4 years? Or you really took your time to uh, get all the elements together?
Well, I'm not I actually am quick when it comes to the writing process. It's
Mhm.
just every year may bagong set of songs, yung
Yeah.
EP. It just felt, I guess, like the right time now to put it out. It felt that way for me and for my team. So, yeah, I think the version that did come out is truest to the version of me that I am today.
And para sa akin, tsaka dun sa ibang mga, siguro let's say, bago mong listener, please do tell us something about Plain Girl. What does it talk about? Ano yung pinag-uusapan sa Plain Girl? Sino si Plain Girl? Ikaw ba yun? Or you talking like, may specific girl ba to? Sino ba siya?
Well, Plain Girl, it's a coming of age EP, and it's about a plain girl stepping out of her bubble for the first time and making her first encounters with life and love. And ako yung plain girl. Kasi growing up, sobrang conservative kasi ng family ko and also my school. So I grew up honestly in a bubble.
Mm-hmm.
And nung lumipat ako dito sa Manila, yun yung parang first time na I stepped out of it and I allowed myself to make mistakes and experience the world as it is instead of the bubble that I've always known it for.
Mm-hmm. And so parang siyang reflection siya ng experiences mo
Yeah.
transitioning from, let's say, a young teenage woman to a young woman, ganyan.
Yes. Yes.
And ano yung gusto mong maramdaman ng ano mo, fans and listeners mo when they stream yung Plain Girls, especially young girls?
Well, I want them to feel n nostalgia and I want them to know that they're not the only ones fumbling through life. Um there are a bunch of us out there and I want them to know that they don't have to be in a rush. We all have our own paces, and there's no set timeline that every single person has to follow. We really just go at our own pace.
Ay, so wag sila magmadaling lumaki, wag sila magmadaling maging woman na gano'n. Parang take
Mm-mm.
your time and appreciate what's happening in your life. Parang gano'n siya.
Yes.
Mhm. And for sure, after niyang ma-release, and syempre, andyan na yung mga nag-stream, andyan na yung mga nag-comment, andyan na yung mga nanonood or nakikinig. Ano yung mga fun moments na nakikita mo sa kanila na sinasabi nila online about Playgirl? And how do you respond to your fans pagdating doon?
Well, I think my favorite uh reactions to the song so far are the ones on the title track, Plain Girl. So it's a song about being an NBSB kasi NBSB din ako. And it's funny to see the way people are reacting to it because ang dami pa rin namin. And um yeah, it's nice to see songs love songs that aren't exactly about love,
Yeah,
if that makes sense. It's about never having been in a relationship or never having experienced love.
I see. So marami palang nakarelate agad nung once na-release siya. And I'm sure marami pang makaka-relate.
Thank you.
And then, moving forward doon, syempre, hindi naman natatapos after natin mag-release. Are you planning to uh, go on like yung mga performances? Let's say may mga ganun na ba tayong plans? Or na pwede
Yeah.
naman natin sabihin?
So ngayon I'm just doing whatever gigs come my way. So I
Mhm.
have a Valentine's gig sa Ayala, and
Mhm.
I also have one sa it's called Plus 63. It's a festival. So I'll be doing that this month. But yeah, that's for the gigs, that's what I'm working on. But I'm also already working on the next project.
Wow,
So
agad-agad.
yeah. Yeah, we're in writing mode right now for the next project.
Mhm. And well, then again, congratulations. Please do invite our viewers, yung mga kapatid natin, to check out your EP and then stream nila sa kanila mahanap ng socials and websites, mga ganyan.
Yes. Hello mga kapatid. I'm Joliet and I'm a songwriter from Cebu, and my first EP Plain Girl just came out, so feel free to check it out on all your digital streaming platforms, and I hope you guys like it and find the Plain Girl within you.
Mhm. Congratulations. Thank you.
Much.
Alright. Yan, ganun lang, chill lang, plain girl lang, ganyan.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you.